Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question. Which of the following statements are true for both the recrystallization and replacement modes of preservation? Choose one or more. The three-dimensional external shape of an organism is preserved. They can occur on atom-by-atom basis. In some cases, internal details of a shell or bone are preserved. Delicate tissue and organs are not preserved. The overall chemistry of a shell or bone remains unchanged. Correct answer is both recrystallization and replacement modes of preservation can preserve internal details of a shell or bone, and in some cases the overall chemistry of a shell or bone remains unchanged. So that was our question and answer. If you have any other question, just leave a comment. Thanks for watching the video. For more helpful, subscribe my channel Class Beta so that helpful videos will reach you soon. Bye bye.